If you want to turn off notifications for your M&T Bank account, follow these simple steps to manage your preferences effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the M&T Bank website or open a mobile app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Locate notification preferences. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled Notification Preferences or Alerts. Click on this option to view your current notification settings. Step 4. Adjust notification settings. Review the list of notifications you are currently subscribed to. Uncheck or toggle off the notifications you wish to disable. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button to confirm your new notification preferences. By following these steps, you can easily manage and turn off notifications for your M&T Bank account. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to M&T Bank customer support for assistance.